So I will just right click and take a emitter fountain, and this time we will cover the sprite size. So basically we have a radial material and the size here is random uniform. So whether the size is 6 or 12, you can put the same size on both. So all the particle will be the same size. Then we have here for 5 options. First is unset. You can unset this size. Then second is uniform. Then you can use the same size for all particles, whether it's 1 and 100, any size you can take. Third option is uniform. You can uniformly randomize the size like 1 and 20. Some are very small, some are 20, so between 1 to 20. Then the fourth option is non-uniform. You can use the X and Y size. So basically, if I let me just open up Paint. So X and Y is this. This is your X and this is your Y. So basically, if you have a round shape, so this is your X and this is your Y. Okay, if you increase the Y, it will be like this. If you increase the X, it will be like this because X is high, Y is low. So this is what you can do. Now the same size is there. So if I increase the X, you can see. Okay, and I can also increase the Y. So it will be like that. Cool. Then you can randomize the non-uniform. So now you can you can use 0.1 and 10 on the X and same can use on Y. So now we have random values. Cool. So it has now for actually this is Unset, and part of that we have 4 different modes: uniform, uniform random, non-uniform, non-uniform random. That is pretty clear, I think, what is happening here. So that's it.